All right. Today's SPY was down 0.03%, and we did gap up and we hit that price target up there at 593. And then from there, we pulled back to close at the low of the day, and we have not yet hit the support. So I think there's a good chance we're going to do another round trip from 584 to 585 back up to 593. So look for that move tomorrow while managing risk down towards a gap fill at 576. If we start breaking down below 584, you are looking for 576. Keeping in mind that we do have the lower highs into the bear breakdown below 602. So this is looking like a risk off market. So we're not looking for a powerful rally back to all-time highs right now. We are simply looking for level by level and just taking advantage of volatility within these price ranges that I'm giving you. So 584 up to 593. If we break 584, we're looking for 576. Keep it that simple, knowing that above or below, you are going to move like water for long positions, short positions, or simply sitting in cash, waiting for this volatility to subside and the market to pick a direction. It is completely possible this market still goes up for a brand new all-time high, and with this pullback, even though it is a very high volume pullback, it is only increasing the probabilities we do get that low volume melt up after Christmas, which is known as the Santa Claus rally. Keep in mind, the Santa Claus rally does not occur until after Christmas, and we are still pulling back into Christmas, so I do believe this pullback is only making it more likely we get that low volume melt up into the end of the year. Regardless of that, follow price around this very critical support at 584. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were down 0.45% today, and we hit the price target that we were looking for to the downside, which is right here between 513 and 514. And then as you can tell from the arrow, I do expect a pretty powerful bounce here all the way back up towards 525. And then from there, we are going to look to see if we get the lower high rejection or the continuation to a brand new all-time high. Now keep in mind the NASDAQ 100 has not even broken down below the support trend line, so we are still in a bull trend on the daily chart. We are starting to see some signs of weakness through price, but we haven't broken the bull trend. Even though we did take the elevator down, we didn't slice through the support of the bull trend, which is going to be very critical here right around 513. If we bounce from here, it's possible the bears do put in another lower high and continue to push down towards 493 into the end of the year or in the middle of January of next year. But that is speculation. While we have this bull trend, the odds still favor the bulls to buy the dip and push into the 540s unless we break down below 513. Now, one thing I want you to pay attention to is the weekly candle is very bearish. We're currently at the low of the week, and tomorrow is going to close this candle. So I'm not looking for any crazy reversals. If we do indeed bounce up towards this target at 525, I do believe you should be locking some profits. Don't lose profits if you're buying at support. You want to be taking profit at resistance and secure those profits just in case we do get the bear scenario and continue lower. And then finally on Bitcoin, we're continuing that rejection from the price target at 108,500. From here, we did break the support at 102,000. We're down below all of the moving averages, so there's a good chance we're coming back down to 92,000. And if we break that, then we're looking for that target I have down here at 84,000. I still do think Bitcoin is going to 84,000. It could take its sweet time getting there, but I am not a buyer of Bitcoin up at these levels. I just don't think the risk and reward is there for a long trade. And if you're shorting Bitcoin, then you're obviously managing risk at the pivot high at 108,000. So we're heading into the last few days before the holiday. Then I am expecting that low volume melt up Santa Claus rally, but we'll take it day by day. And of course, you can always subscribe to my Trade Alert service where you get the exact percent allocations that I am doing for the TQQQ or the SQQQ. You can find out how to join that service by clicking on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.